How to run an Amazon PPC campaign, complete guide to the beginners. So let's start. Introduction. Amazon PPC campaign is one of the best tools for Amazon sellers and entrepreneurs. It's to help Amazon seller and entrepreneur in their growth, traffic, sales, and brand promotion. It's really amazing. With the help of PPC campaign, each of the seller create a great name and visibility in Amazon marketplace. It's giving a great chance for the beginner to get a great sale in Amazon marketplace, but it's paid. Money can make soon more money in. So in this video, we will show you how to take a step to beginner in Amazon PPC campaign. What are the strategies of Amazon PPC campaign? How it works? So let's start. First, we have a two method to run Amazon PPC campaign: auto campaign and manual campaign. Auto campaign Auto campaign, we can easily understand that with the help of its autonomy. Campaign run automatically. We just need to give a keyword of our product in this campaign and Amazon runs our campaign automatically. The platform algorithm determine when and where to display your product ads according to your assessment of keyword relevance and user search behavior. Advantages of auto campaign: simple, efficient, huge reach. Limitation of auto campaign: lack of control, limited optimization. Manual campaign. The second step is manual campaign. Manual campaign is giving you the control of your ads in your hand. In manual campaign, you can put your unique and relevant keyword and can select your campaign bids according to your budget. Advantages of manual campaign: precise targeting, optimized control strategies, or flexibility. My personal experience: create PPC campaign strategies as a beginner. What we need to do: first, you need to hunt Amazon keyword related to your product. You can find keyword from different tools like Google Keyword Planner, Helium 10, and Jungle Scout. After the find products relevant keyword, you need to put in your PPC campaign. Now we have a question: as a beginner, what method we need to run auto campaign or manual campaign? As a beginner, you can run auto campaign in broad. Now you are may be having a question: why? Because as a beginner we don't know what are the hide keywords of your product. Perhaps your tools working right, but Amazon marketplace is very vast marketplace. Maybe we are missing the top keyword related to your product. So if you want to find those keyword who can sell your product very extremely, you need to run first 15 to 20 days auto campaign. We know that Amazon giving us PPC campaign correct data after 3 or 7 days. So after receive the data from Amazon PPC campaign, we need to notice and highlight very good keyword who making a sale, who not making a sale, mean bad keyword. So we just need to run continuously 15 to 20 days for more effective and potential keyword. Now next step is targeting and negative targeting keyword and async negative targeting. After the 15 or 20 days, now we have a many of the bad keyword who's not making sale. Now we have many of the irrelevant product async where Amazon display our product, but we have not any benefit from these products. So now we need to add these irrelevant product async and irrelevant keyword in negative targeting. because of your budget because of your budget, lose in irrelevant activities. Now we have to question what is the negative targeting. Negative targeting of the PPC campaign is very great tool. Those Amazon giving us, actually Amazon giving us a chance to control ads for irrelevant keyword and irrelevant product async. So we just need to put irrelevant and unimportant keyword and product async in negative targeting. So do that. It's very important. So I want to back on our topic. After the 15 to 20 days, now we need to run manually PPC campaign of our product. Now we have great data because of my auto campaign. Now we have three function in manual campaign: exact, phrase, and broad. Now we have a question: as a beginner we don't know about these three functions. Exact, we can understand from its name. If I put any main keyword or highlight related keyword in exact, so when any customer search these keywords, Amazon displays their our product ads. Perhaps targeting long tail keyword, for example chair leg floor product, and now Amazon algorithm target this long tail keyword like this: chair leg floor and floor protector. So because of these targeting, its name is perhaps targeting broad targeting is very vast targeting. Amazon keyword targeting in broad, we have like a huge keyword targeting. So third function of strategy of Amazon PPC campaign. So I want to back on our topic. Now we can run a manual campaign. We need to put very relevant keyword and product async of our product in exact, because these keyword making our sale very potentially great. So we want to must display our product in these keyword and product async. Now we have many of the product async and keyword those not react good. We just need to add all of these irrelevant keyword and irrelevant product async in negative keyword targeting and negative async targeting. And we need to run also perhaps PPC campaign. Because of this we can find more new highly related keyword. Because of this we can make more sale. Maybe we'll do wrong, but we need to run this because of new top relevant keyword. Now it's not a one time work, rather you need to concern with this all time. So after that, when you will receive weekly report of your Amazon PPC campaign, then you will need to put all irrelevant keyword and product is in negative targeting, and you will be needed to add highly related keyword in exact PPC campaign. Now you can run your product ads on Amazon. I hope you will be do very well. Thank you for watching this video.